Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Have you ever dreamed of turning a bicycle into your own personal micro RV? Imagine cruising down a scenic bike path, the wind in your hair, and your whole home riding right behind you. That dream just got closer to reality with the 2026 Emojo Caddy electric camper tricycle. At first glance, the Emojo Caddy might look like a stylish electric trike built for groceries or casual cruising. But with some clever modifications, it transforms into a lightweight camper rig ready for urban stealth camping, off-grid getaways, or even long-haul tricycle travel. Let's start with the basics. The 2026 Emojo Caddy features a robust 750-watt rear hub motor, upgraded from previous models for more torque and smoother acceleration. Whether you're carrying camping gear or pulling a mini trailer, this motor gives you enough push to handle gentle hills and city inclines. Paired with a 7-speed Shimano transmission, it allows for flexible pedaling when conserving battery power or navigating rough terrain. The trike's frame is made from high-tensile steel, balancing strength with comfort. It supports a generous payload of up to 330 pounds, more than enough to carry a rider in gear. The rear cargo basket is extra wide and low to the ground, which makes it perfect for mounting a custom microcamper box or storage pod. You could even attach a lightweight pop-up tent frame directly to the rear basket with a bit of DIY creativity. The 15Ah lithium-ion battery is neatly integrated behind the seat, providing up to 45 miles of range on a single charge under moderate load. That's a solid day of trike-powered travel, especially if you're stopping to explore along the way. And with an optional solar charging kit, you can stay mobile even when you're far from outlets. Now, let's talk about the camper conversion. This is where the Emojo Caddy really becomes a game-changer. By adding a compact camping shell to the rear rack, you can create a weatherproof space for storage, shelter, and even sleeping. Some campers opt for a custom wood or aluminum build shaped like a mini teardrop trailer. Others go for soft-sided enclosures made of canvas and PVC, which are lighter and easier to collapse for transport. With a low step-through frame, getting on and off the trike is easy, even with a full camper load. That's important when you're frequently hopping off to take photos, rest, or camp. Front and rear disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, even when fully loaded. And fat 4-inch tires on 20-inch rims give the trike extra stability and shock absorption, ideal for gravel paths, park trails, or rough pavement. Inside the camper pod, some builders include a foldable sleeping platform with foam padding. Others fit a cooler, battery-powered fan, and LED lighting system for added comfort. You might even squeeze in a fold-out table and a mini propane stove for cooking meals right from your trike. Space is tight, but with smart design, everything has its place. One of the biggest advantages of the Emojo Caddy setup is its stealth factor. Because it looks more like a delivery trike than a motorhome, you can discreetly camp in urban areas or roadside stops without drawing attention. With blackout curtains and quiet operation, you can sleep almost anywhere a bicycle is allowed. Let's not forget the riding experience. Despite its utility design, the Caddy is surprisingly smooth and comfortable. The padded seat with backrest helps on longer rides, and the upright handlebars provide a relaxed riding position. Whether you're coasting through a forest trail or rolling into a small town, the Emojo Caddy keeps the ride enjoyable and low stress. The 2026 model also introduces some tech upgrades, including an updated LCD display with real-time battery monitoring, speed tracking, and even USB charging for your devices. So while you're out in the wild, your phone or GPS stays powered and ready to go. Many riders use the Emojo Caddy electric camper tricycle as a solo camping solution, but it's also great for duo adventures. Pair 2 Caddy trikes together, each with its own camper pod, and you've got a traveling base camp for two. Some setups even use one trike for hauling gear and the other for sleeping, creating a modular mobile lifestyle. Of course, no camper tricycle is complete without accessories. The Emojo Caddy works well with pannier bags, side racks, and even a tow hitch for a small solar-powered trailer. You can customize your setup to fit your camping style, minimalist and stealthy, or fully decked out with folding chairs, solar lights, and rooftop cargo. Safety is key when you're out on the road, especially at night. The 2026 Caddy includes integrated front and rear lights, reflectors, and a loud electronic horn. And with its three-wheel design, stability is built in. You won't tip over easily, even at slow speeds or when turning with gear on board. The Emojo Caddy also shines when it comes to accessibility. Unlike large e-bikes or traditional campers, it doesn't require a special license, parking spot, or trailer hitch. You don't even need a huge budget. It's one of the most affordable ways to break into electric RV travel, perfect for weekend warriors, budget travelers, or those living the nomadic lifestyle on a micro scale. In the end, the Emojo Caddy isn't just a trike. It's a lifestyle choice. It's for those who want freedom without the fuel, simplicity without sacrifice, and adventure without the noise. Whether you're cruising through the countryside or parked beside a quiet lake, your camper trike goes where other RVs can't and does it with charm. So, if you're looking to explore the world on three wheels, consider what the 2026 Emojo Caddy electric camper tricycle can do for you. It's more than a ride. It's your ticket to freedom, one pedal at a time.